In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Read AI to Chrome. If you're looking to capture meeting notes and summaries automatically, getting the Read AI extension into your Chrome browser is fast and straightforward. We'll walk through installing it from the official Chrome web store, making the icon easy to access, and signing in so it's ready to go. I'll finish with a few simple checks in case the icon doesn't show up right away. Start by opening a new tab in Chrome and heading to the Chrome web store at chromewebstore.google.com. In the search box, type read.ai and press enter. Click the Read AI extension in the results to open its page. Here, you'll see the overview and permissions. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will display a small confirmation prompt. Click Add Extension to proceed. The browser downloads and installs the extension automatically, and you'll usually see a quick confirmation message near the top right corner. No restart is required, just give it a moment to complete. Now let's make sure you can get to it quickly. Look to the top right of Chrome and click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. A list of your installed extensions appears. Find Read AI and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Read AI button visible on your toolbar, so it's always one click away. Next, click the Read AI icon itself to open it. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen steps to grant access. This connects the extension so it can provide meeting features where supported. If you don't see the icon or something isn't working, there are a few quick fixes. In the address bar, type Chrome/extensions and press enter. Locate Read AI and make sure the toggle is turned on. If it's off, the extension won't appear. If Chrome shows permission prompts, allow them so Read AI can access the pages and meeting tools it needs to function correctly. After adjusting anything, refresh your browser tab to load the latest changes. A simple refresh often makes the icon appear and enables features immediately. And that's it. You've installed Read AI from the Chrome web store, pinned it so it's always handy, and signed in with your Google account so it's ready the next time you're in a supported meeting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow with automatic notes and summaries right in your browser.